Aston Martin was founded just over 100 years ago by Lionel Martin and Robert Bamford.
If you said Aston Martin, 90% of people would say James Bond, wouldn't they? Probably more.
A lot of work goes into the interiors of the car and the paint finish, but it's all about the finer details.
The whole philosophy of the company is about the power, the beauty and the soul.
We believe that it's our responsibility to create beautiful cars built to the highest quality standards, giving customers the opportunity to create a truly bespoke vehicle. When I first came here, the production methods were very much craft hand production methods, but also had craft-type levels of control in terms of processes. For every single step of the production process, we had a document that outlined on a series of pieces of paper with photographs and instructions how to do the job.
We knew we had to go out and do something different.
And so we went out and looked at the broader marketplace, and then we came across Ease.
Ease was founded in 1986. We are a company focused on improving our customers' quality, reducing our customers' waste and costs, and really overall improving efficiency.
Aston Martin had 3 goals of increasing quality, efficiency, and output.
They're running 4 different models down 2 lines, and you have completely different configurations. It's a very customized vehicle.
So they're really in a situation where if you want to produce more vehicles, if you want to produce different types of vehicles, you have to bring efficiencies to the table.
This audit and compliance piece is a foundation for manufacturers because it's the best way to determine whether you're actually improving.
Either using a tablet or using a smartphone, we can conduct audits, report the information, and then send it out to the people who are responsible for the areas that we've reviewed.
The prime example of how that would work is an auditor is assigned to do an audit. They pull it up on a tablet, and then they can start wandering the factory floor where there may not even be internet connectivity and conduct work, and then go back online, and then everything syncs up seamlessly.
The processes that are at fault straight away link in through the tablet, and then we can correct things. We're constantly improving the process through that format.
And they're all done on a regular schedule as well. So you can say you need to repeat this audit every 2 weeks, and it will just automatically schedule it.
It's basically the toolbox that people need to be able to achieve the standard.
The future of Aston Martin is to continue to create beautiful cars and sell them all around the world.
To be the best and match the best, you've got to have the best tools and techniques at your hands.
Whether you're looking for quality standards, you're looking for customer satisfaction, almost any industry or company could use Ease.
Really, Ease's products help make sure that everybody has the right information and that they're doing things in the right way.
We come in and really give our customers a tool that really makes a difference.
If somebody came to me and asked what's the best tool to use to achieve the right process, then I would say Ease, without any shadow of a doubt.